Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set mobile hotspot in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to connection and sharing. And here, just select personal hotspot and just turn on this button personal hotspot so that personal hotspot will be enabled in your phone, and click on hotspot settings. Click on hotspot settings. Here you can change hotspot name. Just delete available text and write your own text. So here just I write my Oppo Reno. Okay, and here you can change password. Okay, click on password and delete available password and write your own password. Password should be of minimum 8 characters. Okay, so for demo purpose I just give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Minimum 8 letters should be used. Okay, finally click on save. Okay, hotspot is now ready, and now you have to connect this hotspot to other device. Here I bring another device, and in this device go to the Wi-Fi. Go to Wi-Fi, and you will see the signal from your phone. Okay, that is my Oppo Reno is showing here. Just click on it, and you have to give the password that you set in your mobile hotspot in Oppo. Just type your password and click on connect. It will be connecting to your device. Yes, so in this way you can easily connect other mobiles to your device through hotspot. Okay, if you have internet in your phone Oppo, then that can be shared here too. Okay, yes, it's working very well. In this way you can easily set mobile hotspot and connect that mobile hotspot to other device in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.